To get the most fruit from your tomato plants, you need to give them a strong start. A great way to do this is by planting them deeply in the ground. Start by digging a large, deep hole in your garden bed. The hole need to be deep enough so that you can bury about half of the tomato plant stem. When you bury a tomato stem in the dirt, it does something amazing.
It grows brand new roots all along the part of the stem that is underground. This creates a huge, strong root system. A bigger root system helps the plant soak up more water and food from deep in the soil. It also holds the heavy plant firmly in place so strong winds cannot blow it over easily during summer storms. Before you put the plant in the hole, you want to build a rich food zone at the very bottom. First, throw in a handful of chopped banana peels. Banana peels are excellent for tomatoes because they are packed with potassium. Tomatoes need a lot of potassium to grow big, juicy fruits later on. Potassium also helps the plant move water around and keeps the cells strong. As the chopped peels rot in the dark, moist soil, they also release other good things like magnesium and calcium. Magnesium keeps the leaves bright green and healthy so the plant can make energy from the sun. Because the peels are buried deep where the dirt stays wet, tiny soil bugs will break them down slowly. This creates a steady, natural food supply that feeds your tomato plant from the bottom up for a long time. Next, sprinkle just 1 to 2 tablespoons of wood ash right on top of the banana peels. Wood ash is another wonderful natural booster. It contains a lot of calcium. Calcium is super important for tomatoes because it stops a common disease called blossom end rot. This is the problem where the bottom of the tomato turns black, slimy, and ruined. Putting wood ash directly under the plant means the roots can grab that calcium right away as they grow. Wood ash also has extra potassium and tiny minerals that plants need to stay healthy. It can also change the soil level slightly to help the roots absorb food better. But wood ash is very strong, so you must only use a small amount. 1 or 2 tablespoons is perfect to help the plant without hurting the young, gentle roots. After adding the ash, cover everything with a layer of fully rotted manure or good compost. This layer is very important because it acts like a safe cushion. It separates the raw banana peels and strong ash from the gentle roots of your new plant. Good compost is full of alive, healthy microbes and gentle nutrients like nitrogen. It helps the soil hold on to water and creates a cozy environment that prevents the plant from getting shocked by the move. Now it is time to plant the tomato. Place your tomato plant into the hole. Gently spread the bottom roots if they are tangled and then fill the hole back up with dirt, covering half of the stem. Next, add just a small amount of extra compost around the base of the plant on top of the ground. This top layer works like a light blanket. It keeps the topsoil moist and gives a little extra food to the new roots that will grow near the surface. The last step is to give the plant a very good drink of water. Watering deeply right after planting is essential. It washes away any empty air pockets in the dirt and pushes the soil close to the roots so they can start feeding. After this first big drink, you must keep the soil damp but not muddy. Watch the plant closely over the next few days. Keep the dirt moist until you see the tomato plant start to grow fresh, brand new leaves at the top. Seeing new leaves means the roots have successfully spread out and reached the banana peels and wood ash below.